Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today, quick and easy Asian style cucumber salad. Here is a list of the ingredients that you will need. Please pause the video and make a note. Remember, when shopping for ingredients, you can always substitute if you can't find the exact match. For example, black vinegar can be substituted for regular vinegar. Now we're going to take our English cucumber and we're going to slice these down the center and then down the center again and then into quarters. Always be careful when handling a knife. You don't want to get cut. Once we have these into quarters, we're going to slice these into thirds. And then any of the large pieces, we're going to take out and slice them down the center again. Put them into a Tupperware bowl that has a lid. Take out the big pieces and slice them down the center. You want them to be about bite-sized. Just like this. Now we're going to take a little salt. And what this is going to do is drain out some of the water and liquid that's inside of the cucumbers so that they don't overpower the sauce that we're going to be adding on later. Give them a nice little shake. And we'll be back. Now that they've had time to ferment, we're going to add some soy sauce. Here's about 1.5 teaspoons. Sesame oil. I'm going to add a little more than normal, about 3/4 teaspoon. Some minced garlic, about 1/2 tablespoon. Some chili with garlic. Now you can find these at your grocery store or your Asian supermarket. Regular chili will work as well, but don't put too much. It gets a little spicy. Now we got our black vinegar, the star of the show. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon to this mixture. And we're going to add some sugar to cut some of the bite. Oh, this is smelling good, guys. Really wonderful. Give it a nice little stir. Make sure to cover every bit of that cucumber with that delicious wonderfulness. Now, if you don't want to stir, we do have this lid, and I'm going to show you how we're going to handle it. I want you to look at it and just shake, 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 shake. Yeah. It's that easy. As a garnish, you can add some sesame seeds as I did here. It adds a little crunch to it and tastes delicious. And for the piece de resistance, my lovely wife to test it out. What do you think, baby? Is it good? Oh yeah. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe to receive free updates and new recipes.